Alright folks, so after riding 6R for a while, so Tilak wanted to do some contenting of my motorcycle on his channel, so he's gonna ride that. So meanwhile, anyway, we got the new beast, which is Z800, which was of course there in our group and it has come back, and Karthik has picked up that one. So as of now, Karthik is gonna ride the Booza. So let's roll. So to give you some fair idea, this is completely a stock bike apart from the exhaust. There's no modification that has been made. So this comes with a Carbon Series 2 Brother Racing exhaust, which is pretty much loud. And one of the reasons I love Z800 a lot is also because it is very smooth by its nature. Meanwhile, I'll also show you something what Booza also has, which is also has an amazing windscreen. There's a new windscreen for Booza. Also a hologram sort of thing. Alright, let's go ride the Z800. Guru, ನನ್ನ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಗುರು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್. So my bike is going to get started. ನೋಡ್ರ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬರೋದು. ಹೋಣ ಯಪ್ಪ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ಮಚ್ಚ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇವಾಗ, ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸ್ವಾಪ್ ದ ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ and Karthik is taking the Booza like I said. So Tilak is taking my 6R and I'm taking the Z800. This also has an amazing exhaust and I'll just open it for you guys. You saw this? This is actually in low speeds, it doesn't have so much sound, but it's gonna come up very nicely in the higher revs. Man, my 6R looks so beautiful, man. See my bikes? This is such a easy machine to ride after riding the super bikes. After riding what is that, my 6R and this one, it is very easy to ride. And to give you more context, this makes about 800cc by default, and really torquey engine. The torque actually starts from 4000 in RPM. See, you can put it in any gear, open the throttle, it just rolls. So I personally like the torquey engines very well, and it is also an opportunity for me to see how my bike would look like. So Karthik is riding the Booza. Does it suit him? Whoa, coach super ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದೆ. Tilak is blasting. So currently mine is the underpowered bike. So let them enjoy. It's been like quite some time that we did. And this is actually a 2015 model. You might see the kilometers has run very less, which means that the bike has not been rough used. I really love the motorcycle smoothness as well. And for touring, it's not too aggressive or too intimidating to ride. So I think the best part about that is that this is actually a fantastic motorcycle. I'm also planning to do a bit of touring also going forward in this. Of course, if Karthik allows me to do. It is very easy. See, any gear. I'm not sure how good is it in corners. Karthik was saying there were some tire issues. He was asking me to take it slow. I'm going to take it slow anyway. I think I'm going to get the race suit, because with race suit, 6R looks much great. Man, the best part about this bike ride, you can all day do 160, 170 peacefully, which is the best part. And another thing about this is the final drive of it is very good, which means that you can open up in any gear that you want to. Oh, this bike is actually top end heavy also. I did not realize that this has so much top end, man. Bloody good. I thought the top end will just break out in between. It does its job. Great motorcycle, man.